1990, 2 Piso Philippines Andres Bonifacio here's a deeper look into the background and history of the 1990 2 Piso nonagonal coins from the Philippines, covering its design, origins, purpose, and its place and the evolution of the Philippine currency. The background of the 1990 2 Piso nonagonal coin series and purpose. This coin is part of the Flora and Fauna series, which was introduced by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP in 1983 and lasted until the mid 1990s. Purpose of the series: the highlight Philippine biodiversity, native animals and plants, to honor Filipino heroes and to bring national pride to everyday currency, to modernize coinage with updated designs and materials, designs, elements, and symbolism. Obverse or front, the portrait of Andres Bonifacio, chosen to represent Filipino bravery and revolution. His inclusion symbolizes the fight for freedom and national dignity. Designed by Ramon A. Asuncion, a renowned Filipino sculptor. Railers or VAC, Cocos lucifera or coconut tree, known as the tree of life in the Philippines, emphasizes the importance of the agriculture, especially the coconut industry, to the Filipino economy. Paired with the BSP logo and the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Shape and material, nonagonal 10-sided design, one of the few Philippine coins with this unusual shape. The shape made the coin easier to identify by touch and harder to counterfeit. Material, copper nickel, chosen for durability and resistance to corrosion, minting and circulation. The 2 Piso coin was not a common denomination in everyday transactions, which add to its uniqueness. Minted primarily in 1983 and 1990 with low mintage compared to 1 Piso coins. Eventually demonetized, no longer legal tender. As the BSP transitioned to newer coin series in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Historical significance: these coins captures a snapshot of the Philippine identity during the 1980s and early 1990s. A growing national awareness of heritage and environment, a desire to educate citizens through everyday currency, technological advances in the minting and coin design. 1990s, 31% with very good 14 pesos, fine 31 pesos, very fine 36 pesos, extra fine 37 pesos, about uncirculated 54 pesos. With example of graded from the PCGS, MS68, 149.51 US dollars. So sa Pilipinas guys, nagkakalaga rin ito ng 8,306 pesos 77 centavos. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.